The V-shape roller brush is suitable for vacuuming on the med and short pile carpets, tiles, and floors. The mini electric brush is suitable for vacuuming dirt, pet hair, and other stubborn debris from sofas, bedding, and other fabric surfaces. The 2-in-1 brush nozzle is suitable for vacuuming curtains, keyboards, ceilings, sofas, vehicle interiors, coffee tables, etc. The Crevice Nozzle is suitable for vacuuming cracks, corners of doors and windows, stairs, and other hard-to-reach places. The extension hose should be used for hard-to-reach corner cleaning. The Smart Multi-Brush Bar is suitable for cleaning floors such as marble, tile, and short pile carpet. When auto mode is activated, the vacuum cleaner can automatically adjust its suction level depending on the surface type.